In this video, I'll teach you how to add Booking.com reviews in Wix. Since this isn't available through Wix themselves, we do need to use an external platform to do this, but it's completely free of charge and you don't need to sign up with any credit card information at all. So if you want to learn how to add something like this to your Wix website, just keep on watching. The first step is to go to elfstar.com. I've added a link for this website in the video description that is going to take you to this exact page. And once you're here, you need to go up to widgets, and under reviews, you can see we have booking.com right here. So go ahead and click there, and now click this big pink button. This takes us down to a template builder where we can start designing what we want our widget to look like. So as you can see, you have loads of different options to choose from, and you don't need to worry about the template if you don't like any of them. You can also customize the colors and everything later on. So if you want something like a gradient background, you can add that later. But go ahead and choose a design you like. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead with this basic design here and click continue down here. Now, the next step is to add the URL. So go ahead and click on booking.com and then find the URL. I would suggest going ahead and clicking here and then click copy link rather than using the link up here. For some reason, it just works better. So just go ahead and insert the link we just copied. And now it's going to load up all the reviews from this specific booking.com property. And one thing I would do is to go ahead and turn off the AI generated summary. Just go ahead and here and turn the toggle off and go back. And you can also go ahead and apply some filters down here if you'd like to. Now, if you want to change the looks of it, you have loads of customization options here on the left-hand side, such as layout, where we can choose what kind of layout it should be, like a grid or carousel. You can also go ahead and click on header here, where you can hide this if you like to, so it's completely empty, and you can also hide the title. So you have loads of customization options here as well. You can also customize the review boxes themselves, if you want to opt for a different design or the kind of booking.com advertisement down here. So just go ahead and choose something that you like for your website needs, and then we can go to style over here. Here you can change the colors of the widget. So if you'd like to add a background color, which I would highly suggest, you can go ahead and click on background here and go here and choose a color or add a gradient image or video. Now, one thing I want to mention is that this doesn't have a background. As you can see right here, there's no color. So that means that if you have an image as a background on your website where this is going to overlay, it's going to be hard for your customers or website visitors to read what it says here, because these boxes here are also semi-transparent, and I only know that from experience. So if you don't want it to be invisible or hard to read, I would go ahead and choose the background of your website color if you have a plain color, or just a plain white color right here like this. And it looks the exact same here, but on your website, it's going to make a difference. And another thing I would do is to change the font. Now, as you can see over here, it says default. So you would think that this is the default font, but in fact, it's going to apply it from the website. So on your Wix website, you're going to have a theme font, and it should apply the theme font to this specific widget. But for some reason, it doesn't do that on Wix. It's going to apply it as a Times New Roman font. And most people don't have this on their website. So if you like what you see here, I would suggest going ahead and choosing Arial. So just go ahead and search for Arial right here and choose it. And as you can see, the only difference is pretty much that it's a bit more bold, I would say. And yeah, you can also go over all of these settings here and the settings over here if you like. I'll let you play around with these things for your website. But once you're ready to add this to your website, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free down here. And in your case, you're going to have a sign up page where you can sign up with your Google account or any email address you'd like. And once you've done that, it should take you to a template builder that looks just like this that's loading up now. And this is the exact same builder. So if you're completely happy with everything, you don't need to do anything else. Just go up here and you're going to have a big green publish button up here. I've already used this widget before, so I don't have it. But just click on publish, and from there you're going to have an option to choose a free plan on the left hand side over here for $0 a month. Just go ahead and click on the gray select button, and from there, once you've done that, it should open a page that looks like this right here. And now once you're on this page, go ahead and click copy code right here, and now we can go back to our Wix website. So go back to your Wix website editor, and then I'm just going to expand my section here just so it's big enough. And to add this to your Wix website, go ahead and click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, Popular Embeds, and choose the first option up here. And now you're going to have a box like this. So if you have any text in here, just delete it so it's completely blank, and then insert the code that we just copied and click Update right here. And then just let it load. And I can click away here and just expand it like so. like this. And now we have booking.com reviews in Wix. Now, if you want to see what it's going to look like on a published website, you can go up here in the top right corner and click preview, and then we can just see how it works on our website. So when I go ahead here and I click, you can see that I can scroll through all of the different reviews on my website, and I can even go ahead and click review us on booking.com, which makes it so much easier for customers to leave a review for your property directly on booking.com as well from your website. So that's pretty much how you can add booking.com to your Wix website. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out.